If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. Because your girl is back with another wig review. So today, we're going to be reviewing this here in my head. And keep watching because towards the end, I do put like a quick like inside of the wig and how I installed it and put it on my head to show you how easy it was and how fast it was. So stay for the end, okay? Stay for the end, stay with me. But this is, I'm in love. Like, I don't know if y'all not new to my channel, you know that I'm always reviewing Bang's wig, but this one is my favorite. Like, this hair is so soft. I can run my fingers through these curls, and I don't know, I just like this frizzy look. Like, y'all, I'm feeling myself. Like, I'm in love. And this is their curly bangs wig. Don't worry, everything will be in the description box below. The link for this exact wig will be in the description box, and you can also use my coupon code right there for your money off. Let me show y'all the bag. I'm so in love. I really am. Like, I give this wig a 10 out of 10. This wig a 10 out of 10. But it does shed. Like I always say, curly hair, it sheds. It's like, it's no way around it. It sheds. But, you know, when the hair starts shedding like a dog, then that's a problem. But this is definitely not shedding like a dog. Like, I keep running my fingers through it, and I'm not getting a lot of shedding. But I did notice, because this part right here in the front, I wet a little just to see like how it looks wet, and it did shed when it was wet a little. So, but y'all, I'm in love. So this wig is from Gorgius, and this is their packaging. I love their packaging, and if you're new to my channel, I love packaging. I'm all for packaging. Like, I love cute packaging, and I be keeping it too. I be keeping these packagings because they're super cute. And take your time in your packaging, because like people like me, like I'm sure a lot of people could relate. Like, I love a good packaging. Like, all right, let me stop talking about packaging. But yeah, and y'all see, look at, like, I got a different view, a different background, a different space area to record in. What y'all think? I don't know. I had like opened the blinds a little bit, and I was like, let me do something different, because I've been in the same place. Y'all see me sitting on my couch. Let me switch it up. But okay, so let me get into the review, because yeah, I'll start talking. All right, but yeah, so you get free wig caps. Love that. Okay, can never have too many wig caps. And the wig came in this bag. And these bags, keep them, because like they're good for a lot of things. And also even your wigs, like when you take off your wig, put it back in the bag, okay? And if you don't put it back in the bag, you can use this bag for a lot of things, especially for traveling in your suitcase. So keep those bags. And then you get a little goodie bag inside. Let's see what's inside, because I didn't see it yet. So we got some bobby pins. I can never have too many bobby pins. Like, I'm always losing bobby pins. So thank you for the bobby pins. And they got a tweezer, so you can pluck. Well, this hair you don't need a plug, but it's just a free gift. And then an edge brush. Brush them edges, okay? Brush them edges. And then let your man use it. And then elastic strap. And it came, and it also, you get 2 free clips. Love that for me, okay? Love that for me. But yeah, I don't know, all I can say for this is I highly recommend it. 10 out of 10. Like, I don't know if you guys got a 10 out of 10 like this on my channel in a while, but 10 out of 10. I love it. I love how I can run my fingers through it, and I just love how soft it is and how natural it looks. Like, it doesn't look wiggish. Like, let me show y'all this too. I want to make sure y'all see everything. Like, it doesn't look wiggish. I don't know what I'm gonna do to the bangs. I might cut it a little bit. What y'all think? Cut it a little? Cut it up, like, cut it like this. This is giving me scissor. This is giving me scissor. I'm in love, y'all, but I don't want to keep talking y'all ears off. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, I got y'all because I feel like y'all gonna like this here. I feel like you're gonna like it. So I'm gonna make sure the link's in the description box. Make sure y'all use my coupon code so you can save some coins. And don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. I love y'all. Bye. All right, y'all. So we about to install this wig together. So, oh yeah, I got a sew-in. So I have like 3 wig caps because I was trying to make it as flat as possible. So I got 2 braids in the back and then I braided my leave out. So I hope that and these 3 wig caps worked because I don't want it to look bulky. I don't want it to look like a helmet. But this is the inside. Y'all know I'm always like reviewing these bangs wig, but I love the bangs wig. I do. I love it. Some of them. Not too bulky. What y'all think? This is super soft. Like, I can run my fingers through these curls. And it was super easy to install. You know what, y'all? I feel like I want to go to the hair store and I would want to like cut it into layers so it really can, like, y'all kind of see where I'm trying to go with this. Like, if we cut it into some layers, like, it really would be it. I don't even know what I want, like, what I should put in it. If I should put mousse, because I love the curls, but I don't know. I love the frizzy look, but I'll wet it though so we can see how it looks wet. I'll do it for y'all. I'll put a little mousse or put a little water. I can't stop touching it, but oh my god, I love it. All right, now I really was feeling this wig. I'm still feeling it. I'm feeling it. All right, let me put some mousse. Let me get the mousse or get some product so we can see how this hair looks wet. And all right, I'll be right back. So this is the hair wet. I love it, y'all. I love it. Look at the bangs. I did finger curls for the bangs and they're so pretty. I don't know. This is giving scissor. I'm in love. I didn't add like too much water. I just wet the detangler brush and brushed the water through the curls. Cause like I still want this volume and this fro. So I don't want to weigh it down with water. So I just added a little water just to like take a little frizz away. Let me show y'all the back. I didn't really add too much water to the back. I mostly focused on this area, but this is how it looks wet. So like you can like do whatever you want with this wig. You can wear it wet, you can wear it frizzy and a fro like I did. You can pick it out and wear it into like this frizzy wavy fro. That will be okay. But yeah, let me not make this part too long, but I just wanted to show y'all how the hair looks wet. But I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching again. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.